Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech 360. Hope you guys having a very wonderful day. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean up disk space. So for that, at first just go to your Windows search bar. Now just search for storage settings. Click on open or enter. Now here you will find so many storage settings option, just like this one, temporary files. Click on it. After clicking it, here you can see it is scanning all the files from here. So wait for a few seconds. Here you can see all the files are here. Just click on this box icon. It is showing all the temporary files you have. After clicking, just click on remove files and you can just remove the disk space. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video.